Do you spend hours scrolling on your phone but feel bored when it's time to study? What if I told you that studying can actually be fun and even something you start to look forward to? In this video, I'll show simple tips to turn studying into something you enjoy, just like scrolling on your phone, but way more rewarding. 1. Morning focus. First 2 hours after waking up are really important. If you scroll TikTok or Reels right away, your brain gets quick hits of fun and then craves more distractions. Instead, use this time for something useful. Reading, planning, or study lightly. Even 20 to 30 minutes of focus in the morning sets a positive tone for the day. Your brain feels proud early, and it's easier to keep that energy going. This habit helps your brain enjoy being productive. Over time, your morning focus becomes automatic, and you'll notice your entire day feels smoother. You'll also feel less stressed and more in control of your time. 2. Just start for 2 minutes. Starting is often the hardest part of studying. Try the first 2 minutes rule. Tell yourself, I'll just study for 2 minutes. Open your book, read a paragraph, or solve one problem. Once you start, your brain usually keeps going. It's much easier to continue than to start from zero. Tiny steps can turn into long, focused sessions. The key is just to get moving. Once you do, your brain begins to enjoy the process. Even if you don't feel motivated at first, this small step reduces procrastination. You'll feel surprised at how quickly time passes once you're in flow. This method helps make studying a natural habit over time. 3. Give yourself rewards. Your brain loves small rewards. After finishing a task, give yourself something simple, a snack or a short phone break. Rewards create a positive loop. Study, reward, good feeling. Over time, your brain starts linking studying with fun instead of work. You can even turn it into a game, like a point per page or problem. Bigger rewards come when you reach a goal. The rewards don't have to be huge, just enough to make studying feel satisfying. Your brain will start looking forward to study time. This also keeps your energy high and makes learning enjoyable. 4. Make studying your personality. Instead of thinking, I have to study, say, I am someone who studies. When studying becomes part of your identity, it feels natural. Think of yourself like in a K-drama or movie character. You'll want to study without forcing yourself. Small routines help too. Have a specific study spot, or even a little outfit you wear while studying. These cues tell your brain, this is what I do. Over time, studying stops feeling like work and becomes an enjoyable part of your day. You'll also notice it becomes easier to start sessions without overthinking. This mindset strengthens your motivation naturally. 5. Watch Studytubers. Watching study tips and routines online can inspire you. YouTubers like Faye Films share hacks and ways to organize your study. Seeing how others approach learning can motivate you to start immediately. You might pick up new ways to take notes, focus, or manage your time. These small tips make studying feel simpler and more interesting. It's a quick way to see that studying doesn't have to be hard. You can also try their methods and see what works best for you. Learning from others keeps you creative and improves your skills. Over time, it builds confidence in your study habits and routines. 6. Make studying easier. Studying becomes much easier and fun when you stop trying to learn everything at once and focus on small, clear steps. Start by knowing exactly what you need to cover and set simple goals for each study session. Instead of sitting for long hours, study in short, focused blocks with small breaks so your brain stays fresh and alert. Try explaining the topic in your own words, making simple notes, or using quick visuals like bullet points or diagrams to understand faster. Make a timetable according to your priorities and dates like test preparation, assignments, and project to be done by the end of this week. 7. Study space matters. Your study space affects how you feel about studying. A clean desk, good lighting, a plant, or even a small decoration makes your brain more focused. Even small things like colorful pens or a neat notebook can make studying more enjoyable. A comfortable space makes your brain want to sit and focus. When your environment feels good, studying becomes more appealing and less like a chore. You'll find yourself spending longer on tasks without feeling bored. Over time, your study space itself becomes a motivator. A pleasant environment helps you feel calm and productive every time you sit down. 8. Study with others. Watching Study With Me videos or studying with your friends can give your brain a sense of company. Seeing someone else study encourages you to do the same. You can also video call a friend and study together quietly. Having someone with you makes studying feel less lonely and more enjoyable. Even small chats or check-ins can help you stay focused and make it easier to continue studying. Over time, studying with others helps you avoid procrastinating. It also makes learning feel like something you're doing together, not alone. This gives you support, motivation, and a reason to keep going. Number 9. Challenge yourself. Mini challenges make studying exciting. Try things like, I'll study 20 minutes without checking my phone, or I'll solve 3 problems in 15 minutes. These small goals give your brain little wins. When you complete them, it feels satisfying. You can also compete with yourself to do better than before. Challenges turn studying into a game. Your brain naturally wants to play, which keeps you motivated and focused. Small wins boost confidence and make tasks feel achievable. Over time, you'll start looking forward to pushing yourself. This method adds excitement and energy to your learning. 10. Track your progress. Seeing your progress makes studying motivating. Use a checklist, calendar, or habit tracker. Every time you mark a task, your brain gets a small reward. Tracking shows how much you've accomplished and motivates you to keep going. For example, ticking off chapters or exercises feels satisfying. Over time, this makes studying feel satisfying. Your brain starts to enjoy seeing your progress and improvements. It also helps you understand what study methods work best for you. Keeping track of what you finish makes it easier to stay consistent. This method makes studying feel like a journey, not a chore. 11. Stop before burnout. End your study sessions before you feel completely tired. If you stop while still focused, your brain wants to return next time. Think of it like pausing at an exciting part of a show. You'll want to continue. Stopping early keeps energy high and helps you stay consistent. Over time, your brain will crave the next session, making studying a habit you actually enjoy. You'll feel more in control of your time. Stopping while motivated also makes it easier to start again. It keeps learning fun and sustainable every day. Studying doesn't have to be boring or stressful. Avoid distractions, start small, reward yourself, and make studying part of who you are. Following these tips turns studying from a chore into something you enjoy every day. Soon, opening your books will feel exciting, not like work. You'll feel proud of your progress and motivated to keep improving. These small habits make studying addictive, fun, and satisfying every single day. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with a friend who is also struggling with scrolling TikTok and is not studying. If you want, then subscribe for more helpful content. See you in the next one.